Welcome back to another video. Dear friends, my name is Manoj Kalla. I provide hand holding training in all this technology. My dear friends, now in this today video we'll discuss about how to process the menu. What do you mean by process the menu? Means what? Suppose you see this, we had created MPR. This is the generated menu file. Okay, now you want to see this like how we create the menu, modify menu and contact menu. After creating this menu we have to generate it. While generating, this is a create the contact menu.mpr. So what we, that's why it is called a, because every time this mpr is get generated, right? So that's why we call this process menu process. Why? Because as like you can see here, X company Sai Kripa, X company equal to Sai Kripa Industries, we had changed this. Okay, but that's why we are suggesting don't write any code in .mpr file, just make it copy and paste it in a PRG file. Why? Because you see here, every time when you change anything you have to generate a mpr. See this, I had generated the mpr. Now you can see here, see this, my that changes is gone away. Okay, so that's why don't write any extra code in mpr. Why? Because accidentally or whenever you need to change the any menu definition, obviously you have to be generate again that mpr file. Okay, so that's why we are call this process is a menu process. And just write down here contact menu, and this is the PRG file, and just write down whatever you want to make the any changes, like set date British, okay, set multi locks on, set exclusive off, set safe off. All this setting you write here. Understood? Why I'm just telling? That's why I'm just telling this process called a menu process. Okay, because we want to copy entirely that your menu file here, then it will be go safely. Okay, so work according to this way. Okay, so just see here, do contact menu, it will be behave like a same. See this, it will behave like same way, there is no any problem. Okay, so this process called a menu process. I think so you understand. I am repeating in a within a 10 seconds again what I did in my last 10 20 5 minutes. See this, this is the mpr file which is get generated every time when we generate a menu mpr. So that's why we are suggesting don't write any extra code in menu file. Okay, and after generating a mpr, how mpr is generated, menu and generate. Okay, after generation, open the mpr file, control c, control v, and that same way, same name, modify com contact menu, generate it, and write down your all your configuration part, like how you deliver to which your client. Suppose I had sell this my package, my this contact management to Sai Kripa Industry. Okay, this variable, and make it this public. Okay, make it this public, so this will be get this variable will be available throughout the application. Okay, create all your public variable here only. Okay, I think so you understood, and just move ahead. Okay, and see this with, after that will be create a in a next video you will be learn exe generate. Okay, thank you.